These small contractions, these Braxton Hicks are killing me, especially when I'm walking like a duck down the street. Look at me, this is how I'm walking, like I'm hopping. That's me right now. Struggle is real around here. Can you tell I'm having one right now? Woo. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys getting a fat face this morning because that's what you guys gonna be getting for the next few weeks. Fat face. Come, say morning to the face.
Morning face.
Wait, they can't see you.
Morning face. You know what I said to Mama?
What?
31, 33,
Oh,
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 58, 59. Kocha, then baby sister here, and then Mama gonna push her out, and she's gonna leave me, and I'm gonna stay with Auntie Jan.
yeah, and then what?
And then I'm gonna come to wash my hand, and then I will touch her.
And you're ready for all that?
Yeah.
You're ready to put on your big brother role?
Yeah.
Alright, honey, can you say morning to the faves?
Good morning! Morning, morning, morning! What we gonna do today?
I'm gonna play.
Oh! You're gonna play? Well, I won't play.
What you gonna do?
Hi guys, morning. Tired.
You tired?
Oh yeah. I don't want to sleep, but that's okay.
Well.
I have things to do. Have the bathroom to clean. That's gonna be the main mission of the day, cause the inspector is here, and she's not happy. But the inspector can't walk much right now, so she pays some little walker to one little walker to the job.
So baby's going to clean the bathroom right now, so I'm just assisting him along the way by like just taking out I'm just wiping the mirrors and stuff like that while he washed, because of course I can't do that anymore, and I can't take the chemical smell anymore. Basically I just can't wash the bathroom anymore. So that's going to be big task, and we like to start these things off early in the morning. So we just finished breakfast. We had Tyler had porridge, Babe and I had just egg sandwich, and now we're gonna jump to the bathroom because we're still in preparation for baby girl mode. I have Tyler bag to pack today, so when it's time for baby girl to come, we can just take up his bag and drop him at Jen's. And I need to go through my closet and sort out my clothes today to kind of push back all the long sleeve things and find some stretchy clothes and stuff like that, because your girl have no clothes to wear. I mean, clothes is in there, but I just can't put my hand on them. They're not visible because most of them is fold. So yeah, that's my mission for today, and then we'll see what else we'll get on through the day with. So yeah, hopefully you guys having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Love you guys, and hope you guys are having a productive day. Whatever it is that is on your agenda, just start and everything else will flow. You'll get things done, promise you. Anyway, you guys, love you guys, love you guys, love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the Fam and Jana journey. And now it's time for you guys to see baby girl. Dun, 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 dun. There she is. There she is. There she is. Anyway, you guys, let's get this bathroom going. Crazy. You guys, we are out on the road. We decided to leave the house for a little bit. The tunnel! Let's show the face! The tunnel! There you go, Faves. You're seeing the tunnel. Oh! More police!
What more police?
Yes! Do you see any more? Any more? No? Okay, finished. So we leave the house for a while. It's such a beautiful day out, so we're going for a little drive. Nothing too long. On the bike? You sure? I don't think so. Okay. We're going for a little drive, like about 15 minutes to town, and we also gonna try and find food because it's almost dinner time for us. I think we're gonna hang out at Jen for a bit after if Jen is home. But yeah, we're just out of the house for a little bit. Baby's there driving and my pumpkin is in the back. Tell her say hi to Faves. Tell her say hi to Faves.
Mama.
Can you say hi to Faves?
But Mama.
Yes.
I saw police that was like that.
Okay, you're probably right. Honey, say hi to Faves. So we're actually in town. I'm just gonna go for a little walk. And those are not police, pumpkin. Those are city school. It's so hot out. Hope you guys are having good weather like us. But your girl is here. We've been just resting after we did our chores this morning. But we're doing good. I'm here with your girl. There she is, chilling with Mama, stiffing me out as usual. You have to go and wait your turn. We take Tyler to the park. Put your foot on the rope and this one, the black one in front of, right, and then you put your hand up here. Hand up here. See, that's better? Get over your fear. Good job. You can do it. Bravo. Bravo.
Une dernier tour, on va y aller. Tu mets les mains ici, les mains. Et back with the flight teacher. Ici.
You sure you don't want him put him head in this one?
Avec cette main, tu mets la main ici. Non, tu restes là-haut, d'accord? Voilà.
Right, it's the slide. It's the slide. Go on. Voila. Push him up. Come. Whoa. You want to go back where Papa is? Go on. Walk under here. Walk there. We're getting food.
That's it.
Yeah. What kind of chicken is it? Just chicken?
Yeah.
And you're taking white rice so I can get some?
This cow. And you have to eat up the cow to be before you get the big muscles.
Avec ça, je prends en dehors un poulet général KO. Which spicy?
The spicy.
Which one?
The one at the first orangish looking one. Yeah. It says spicy on it, right? That's the one I always take when I come.
I'm gonna ask you. I'll porter le toy. Le riz taille, piquant. C'est celui qui est le plus piquant de tous. Ok, je vais prendre une portion de riz taille.
So I'm having my favorite spicy rice and cow chicken style of orange juice.
I don't have a spoon.
Papa gonna give it to you. Stella and Papa is having rice and caramel chicken.
Papa.
Chinese food was yummy, and now we're having ice cream from McDonald's, our favorite. Baby's having, what's in yours? Let me see. You normally take it with colors in it. No? That's McFlurry. And Tyler is having, what you having?
Ice cream.
Yeah, and I'm having my favorite with nuts, vanilla. So now we're gonna walk to the car and head to Jen's. These small contractions, these Broxton Hicks are killing me, especially when I'm walking like a duck down the street. Look at me, this is how I'm walking, like I'm hopping. That's me right now. Struggle is real around here. Can you tell I'm having one right now? Woo, jeez. Hey Minnie. Come. Go. Yeah. Go. Go, Pumpkin, go. Wow. You gonna touch it? Go touch it, go! Go, closer! Ah! Papa! Touch it! Touch it! Papa catch you? Your turn, Tay. Go touch it. You're not going near that. Ah! Touch you! Go! Go climb. Hurt your bottom. You guys, we are back home and put Ella straight to bed because it's way past his bedtime and he have school tomorrow. And I am going to rest. I'm going to lay down because I'm still having these Braxton aches. I'm still feeling these slight contractions to keep coming and I have to just breathe my way through them slowly. But I'm just gonna lay down and call it a day for today. So I'm just coming on to end the vlog right now. Baby is trying to get some work done on the computer. Look at her. Baby girl is here jumping. The leggings that I had on marked my stomach, but she keeps stiffing up. I keep having these small contractions, but your girl is making it through. I'm making it through day by day, step by step. I'm taking it easy. So I'm going to lay down. Tomorrow will be an even more rest day for me because baby will be off to work, Tyler will be off to school, so all I have to do all day is rest, and I'll be doing just that. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to our channel, be sure you subscribe and get one. Keep up with the fam. Love you guys. We had a good time seeing Jen, of course. Tyler act a fool as usual when he's around Jen, and he's excited to know that when mama is going in the hospital to have baby sister, he'll be able to stay with her for a while. So he's so excited about that. He's telling her that he packed his bag today because he helped me to pack his bag today, accomplished that mission, which I'm super proud of. So everything is done and we're just waiting on baby girl's arrival. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with us. We love you guys, and of course we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog tomorrow, but if not, whenever you guys don't get a vlog, just know that it's because I'm not feeling well, why you guys don't get a vlog. But anyway, love you guys. I'm out.